Hi everyone, I'm Tessa Proudfoot and today I'm going to be talking about classic timeless floors from my very messy studio in Johannesburg. Whether you're renovating or building from scratch, the floor that you decide on is going to make or break your interior. So it's really important that you opt for something that is going to be functional, easy to clean, long-lasting and timeless. The last thing you want to do is to have to redo your floors every few years, so it makes sense to give these options very careful consideration. I'm going to talk about my 3 favorite options, which are guaranteed to tick a lot of boxes and they don't need to break the budget. Let's start with wood, which is probably the most widely used and popular flooring solution around these days. There are a number of wood options on the market, ranging from solid to engineered to laminate, and even some very good vinyl look-alike products if your budget doesn't stretch to the real thing. Irrespective of which wood product you select, the look you want to achieve should be enduring rather than trendy. Firstly, the color you choose should tend towards a medium ash blonde tone. This neutral tone works with any style of interior and is very easy to live with. A lighter floor is typically easier to maintain and keep clean as it shows less dirty marks and scratches. A lighter floor also gives the impression of spaciousness and tranquilities, both qualities that bode for a really classy, enduring look. Secondly, you will need to decide on the pattern layer of your wooden floor. There are a number of different patterns that can be used when laying wooden floors, but rather than getting too complicated, I would opt for either a basic straight lay or a herringbone design. My second choice of floor is a seamless or continuous floor. These are floors without seams, ridges or joints. They are poured in place and made from a combination of epoxy, polyurethane, terrazzo, quartz or cement byproducts. They become a natural part of the building structure, and because of their lack of joints, they greatly enhance the impression of space in an interior. They are super easy to clean and ideal for hot climates as they remain cool even in direct sunlight. Despite being aesthetically pleasing, they are also extremely functional and long-lasting. The size and color of the aggregate used in the mix determines the texture of the finished product. If you want more detail on your floor, then you go for a larger aggregate, which creates what is known as terrazzo. If you want a smooth, polished look, then you would go for a very finely textured aggregate, such as sand or cement, which can be tinted to your choice of color. My third choice of floor is a natural stone, such as a marble, used as a tile. Being a natural product, this type of flooring used to be very expensive, reserved for use only in the most lavish interiors. But with the advent of porcelain tiles, which look exactly like the real thing but come at half the price, it is now very attainable. Marble gives a very chic look to an interior, and if you're wanting something really classy that looks a lot more expensive than it is, then porcelain marble tiles are the way to go. Porcelain is also very durable, easy to clean, and comes in a number of different patterns and sizes, so the options are endless. A classic white-toned marble, such as a Calacatta or Statuario, does not need to be confined to bathrooms and kitchens. It works beautifully in entrance halls, passages, verandas, or living rooms. Another super elegant way of using marble tiles is to create a checkerboard effect with a charcoal and white combination. The starker the contrast between the tiles, the more formal the look. So if you're wanting something a little more relaxed, then I would opt for a soft grey and white combination. All 3 of these flooring options have been around for centuries, literally, and they've stood the test of time in terms of proving their durability and good looks. So that's it for today, and I hope that this video gave you some ideas that will be helpful for your next renovation or in an upcoming project. For more tips and interior design inspiration, please follow me on Instagram @Tessa Proudfoot Interiors, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.